So in last session we have created one table, that is Z EMP underscore master, and we have created around 9 fields: employee ID, title, first name, last name. This is date field. This I have to change actually, because by mistake it is a character field. I have to change this to date. Then I have department, CTC and currency key. Similarly, for the practice, we'll create one more table like employee communication, and we'll create the fields as while number, address, city, postal code, state and country. You can also add multiple fields in this. For practice, I am showing you creating these fields. So before this, first I will correct these changes here. Instead of char, I require a date field here. So go to change mode. Let me select date type as dates, that is date. There is one field called joining date. So you can see the second one is dates. Select this, enter, and activate. Now this is okay, because earlier this field was coming as character field. Now we'll create this table. This time we'll follow the bottom approach. Like first we'll create the domain, data element, then we'll create the table. In the first one we have created table, then inside table from here we have created the data element and domain. This time we'll do reverse. So go to SE11. First I want to create domain for mobile number. Select domain, ZU mobile, click on create, give the label as mobile number, and the data type I am selecting as num_c. The length of mobile number is 10. Activate. I am saving as local object. So this domain I have created, Z mobile. Now I will create data element with the same. Go to data element, data type, click on create. Here system gives 3 options, whether we want to create data element, structure or data type. Select data type and continue. Give the description as mobile number. In the domain, enter the domain which we have created, that is Z mobile. Click on label, give the short length 10, medium length, long length, mobile number, mobile number. Save, check and activate. So we are done with domain and data element creation for mobile number. Now I am creating data element for the address field, this time without domain. For this, again go to data type in SE11, enter ZU address, click on create, data element, address. Here I am selecting as predefined type. My data type is char and length I want as 100. Go to label, give the length, and type the label which you want to print. Like here I want to print address, save, activate, go back. Similarly repeat this for city we will use the existing one, that is ORT01. For postal code also there is a data element available. For state and country, for this also there is a data element is there, but we'll create new one for state and country. Let's say ZU state. At initial level try to create multiple, so it will be practice. So later we don't need to create data element generally, we can use the standard one, but initially do the practice by creating 10 to 12 different data elements. 10, 15, 20 straight, save, activate, go back. How much length I given? Okay, let me check the length. 35. Okay. Similarly, I'm creating country. Create, enter, country, predefined type, character, 35, 10, 15, 20, country, save, activate. Now all data elements are ready. Now I will create a table ZEMP_com. This time go to database table and give the name as ZEMP_com, that is the communication detail. Employee, it's delivery class A, display maintenance allowed. Click on save first. Go to fields. First field take as mandate by default. Second is our employee ID, that will take same from the first table. And in this table also my employee ID will be the primary key. So next I required is mobile number, mobile 1 and 2, and an address. Enter mobile 1, and we have created data element as Z mobile. Enter mobile 2, then we have address, after that we have city, pin, state and country. City, for city I will select, it is a standard field. One second, let me check. For city there is a field called ORT01. Then next I want pin code, that is a pin. For pin also I am going to use a standard field, that is PSTLZ. The next I have as state and country. For that we have already created our data element and domain now. ZU state, and we have country. So now we have done all with all our fields, that is a mandate, employee ID, while 1, 2, address, city, PIN, state and country. Go to technical setting, select master data and transaction data, size category, let's select 01, log data changes, save, check, go back, go to extras, enhancement category, you select can be enhanced, save, activate, great. So no error. Okay, I think my name is wrong, but we'll continue with this name, ZEMP_COCM. Okay, now let's create one record. Go to utilities, table maintenance, table contents, create entry, PH1120, while 2 I'm entering as address, let's say flat number 101, city as Pune, pin code for 11001, state Maharashtra and country India. Great. So in this way we have done a second exercise on creation of a database table in the ABAP dictionary. So we are done with second exercise.